So this is day 3 of bodywork on the door, passenger door. I want to say we're getting close, but you know, it's one of those things. But I thought I'd start with what we're using here. So this one bends, right? So we can contour it to the door. And I like the hook and loop. I'm a hook it guy, right? So there's sticky back and there's hook and loop. I'm not going to debate the differences of which one is better. All I can say is this is 220. And if I want to switch it to 80, I'm done. It's that easy. If it's sticky back, then you got to rip it off. It tears. You got to clean this surface to get the goop off and then put your new stuff on. And then this one's pretty much not usable anymore. So you fold it up and then you use it as little pieces. But, you know, so we got stiff ones. We got bendable ones. This one's not as flexible as you think it is, but it's still pretty flexy. This one's supposed to be stiff, but it's still kind of flexy.
All right. Lord, she's evil, wicked, mean, nasty. If you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? Seems I'm chasing that woman my whole damn life. Never got nothing to show for itself. Worry, trouble, and strife. She's got them evil eyes. She got a wicked grin. She got a mean disposition and a body built for sin. Oh, she's evil, she's wicked, oh, she's mean and nasty. Oh, if you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? She's got a nasty temper, and she ain't scared to show. Go ahead and wind her up, bud, and just watch her go. She's got them evil eyes, they're a window to her soul that she can't disguise. 'Cause she's evil, she's wicked, Lord, she's mean and nasty. If you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? quick flash, that wicked grin. You gotta have that woman all over again. Mean disposition, cold as winter rain. Go ahead and mix it up with that nasty temper, bigger than a hurricane. Cause she's evil, cause she's wicked. Well, she's mean and she's nasty. If you didn't wanna know, well then, why did you ask me? She's got evil eyes, a wicked grin, nasty temper, mean disposition. That was it. That's the whole song. Cheap cigarettes, even cheaper perfume. Cafe home to some cheap hotel room. Now she don't know where she's going, only knows where she's been. All she needs right now, one true friend. Now she's sitting alone, trying to pass the time. Ends up making love to some cheap bottle of wine. Well, it's 3 a.m., gospel on the TV. She wonders aloud what's gonna happen to me. Well, she don't know where she's going, nobody knows where she's been. All she needs right now is one true friend. Up the next day, wonders till she lost. She knows the price, but she wonders what's the cost. Stays up all night, trapped by her thoughts. Wonders aloud, what the hell have I wrought? Now she don't know where she's going, only know where she's been. All she needs right now is one true friend. All she needs tonight is one true friend.
Man, how do we do it?
Okay, cool. I'm rolling. Got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? Said, hurry, hurry, yeah, your love is dead. I said, I got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? I said, hurry, hurry, the guy you love is dead. Grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. Got down there, I laid out on that cooling board. I said, I grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. I got down there, she was laid out on that cooling board. Well, I walked right close, looked down in her face. Said, a good old gal got laid to the judgment day. I said, I got right close, looked down in her face. Oh, a good old gal got to lay down till the judgment day. Look like there's 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. Didn't know I loved her till they laid her down. Looked like there were 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. I said I didn't know how much I loved her till they laid her down. Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. Wouldn't mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. I said, Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. I would mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. Well, I fold my arms, slowly walked away. I said, fairly well, honey, see you on Judgment Day. I said, I'll fold up my arms and slowly walked away. I said, fairly well, see you on the Judgment Day. You know, I went in my room, I bowed down to pray. Blues came along, drove my spirit away. I said, I went into my room, bow my head to pray. I said the blues came along, Lord, drove my spirit away. You know, I didn't feel so bad till the good old sun went down. Didn't have a soul, throw my arms around. Said I didn't feel so bad. The good old sun went down. That's when I didn't have no soul, throw my arms around. But I said I loved you, baby, like I love myself. You don't have me, you won't have nobody else. I said I love you, baby, then I love myself. I can't have you, baby, but you can't have nobody else. You know it's hard, I love someone, don't love you. I said it's hard, it's so hard, love someone that don't love you. Ain't no satisfaction, don't care what in the world you do. Got up this morning, just about to break a day, hugging that pillow where she used to lay. I said I woke up this morning, just about to break a day. I said I was hugging that pillow where my girl used to lay. Woke up this morning, feeling up on my baby, had more walking blues. I said I woke up this morning, feeling around for my shoes. I said, you know about that, baby, had more walking blues. I cried last night and the night before. Got to change my way of living so I don't cry no more. I said I cried last night and all the night before. Change my way of living, I don't have to cry no more. Ah, hush. Thought I heard her call my name. It was so loud, it was so nice and plain. I said, oh, hush. Thought I heard her call my name. If it wasn't so loud, Lord, it's so nice and plain. Well, listen, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, try to get along with you. I said, now listen, oh, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, I'll try to get along with you. Well, the minute seemed like hours and the hour seemed like day. It seemed like good old gal don't stop to low down ways. I said, minute seemed like hours, hours seemed like day. Oh, my good old gal don't stop to her low down cheating ways. You know, love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. I said, love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. Well, love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. I said, well, I love sometimes make you feel sad and blue.
So we're going to call this done for now. Next we'll hit it with the primer, and then we'll block it down again. And then if we have to, hit it again, block it down again. That's just two different colors of filler right here. So I mean, it's all smooth. So we blocked the whole thing with 220, and then when we hit it with the primer, that'll build it up a little bit. Should smooth out some of this stuff, transitions, and then we'll sand it, and then we'll do it again and keep doing it until it's flat. But this one's done. One more door to go. Whole cab, fenders, hood. So, you know, we're just getting warmed up. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.